everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you, a huge thank you to each one of you who have subscribed to my channel and have supported me in this journey. It really means a lot to me, so thank you so much to each and every one of you. Today we are going to bring you an ab workout focusing mostly on your core muscles to strengthen it. You do not require any equipment, all you need is an empty space to work out on. And we have a few exercises that we will be doing lying down, so a mat to work out on. Keep a bottle of water handy just in case if you need any water. Now once again, do hit that subscribe button and the bell icon because I post 2 new workouts every single week, so stay tuned and let's go for it. First up is big hip circles, legs just hip width apart, alright. Push your torso in the front and give big twist. Keep breathing in out. Remember, we're going to do each exercise for 50 seconds, 10 seconds break, and we're going to then switch to our next exercise. Keep breathing in and out. Excellent. Nice big circles here. Other way around. Keep breathing in and out. Excellent. Keep going. Amazing. And one last. And shake it off. Next up is standing crunches, hands behind your head. And all we're going to do is standing crunches and hit it. Again, keep breathing in and out. Keep your body nice and controlled. Make sure you're engaging your core muscles. Try to touch your elbows to your knees. Go as far as you can. Always remember, it's you versus you. You should be your own competition, trying to get a better than what you were yesterday. Keep pushing. Come on, let's do this. Keep breathing in and out. Excellent. Few more. And last one. And relax. Shake it off. Next up, we're going to go down on the floor and we're going to go into a plank position. We're going to hold it for 50 seconds. So let's go into a plank position. Engage your core, neck neutral, and hold. Keep breathing in and out. There's no rocket science to this exercise. You just have to hold. Keep breathing in and out. If you find it too hard, drop on your knees for 5 seconds and get back up. But don't give up. You got this. Come on. We're almost there. Keep breathing in and out. Don't hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees. Excellent. Next up is bicycle kicks. You will keep on your floor. Engage your core muscles. Suck your core muscles to the ground below. Alright. Keep your legs in this position. And you're going to do bicycle kicks. So just, alright. Just keep pushing. Keep those core muscles engaged. Pull it in, suck it in the floor. That's it. That's as simple as this is. Keep breathing in and out. Let's keep pushing. Keep your core muscles engaged. Suck your belly button into the ground below. Keep breathing in and out. Come on. Almost there. And relax. Alright, next up is single leg V-up. So you're going to stay in this position, a nice V-up of your legs. And all you're going to do is bring your leg up and back down. One leg at one time, alternate the legs. Single leg V-ups. Keep breathing in and out. Come on. It's 10 minutes. We got to give it our all. Excellent. Keep that core engaged. Suck those core muscles into the ground below, your belly button into the ground below. Make sure you do not feel any pressure on it. Come on, keep going. Excellent. Few more. Amazing. Last one. And relax. Next up we're going to do is a side plank. So shoulder in line with your elbow, legs on top of each other, body in straight line, and lift and hold. Very simple. Your elbow and your shoulder should be in line with each other, not in or out. Keep your body straight and hold. These are side planks. We're going to hold 50 seconds in here. Keep going, keep pushing. Don't just give up yet. We're doing amazing. Come on. You feel it's too much pressure, just drop down for 5 seconds. Push it back and lift. There's no shame in it. Believe me, there's no shame in it. Work your way up to build your strength. This is your own body weight exercise. And breathe in and breathe out and drop it and relax. Switch on to the other side. Alright. Again, shoulder in line with your elbow. Lift and hold. It's as simple. Legs on top of each other. Very good. Keep pushing. You're doing amazing. Come on. We're going to do each exercise for 50 seconds only. 10 seconds break. And you're going to get a very powerful workout in 10 minutes. Do this as a part of your routine, or you can do it as a warm-up on the days you're focusing on your core, and you're good to go. Come on, keep breathing. 10 seconds more here. Don't just give up. You got this. Keep breathing in and out. Don't hold your breath and drop it slightly and amazing. Next up, we're going to do mountain climbers. Your shoulders in line with your hands. Alright. Suck your core in. Nice and tight, firm body. Bring your knee into your chest. One at one time. Just bring your knee to your chest. Keep breathing in and out. These are mountain climbers. Beginner level. Come on, don't give up. 10 minutes, you can feel the burn. Keep breathing in and out. Amazing. Come on, let's go. Don't stop yet. You're doing amazing. As I said, if you're too tired, you can't do it. 5 seconds pause and back up. No shame in that. And drop it. Relax. Next up is Russian twist. We're going to do the beginner version. Alright. All you got to do is sit in this V-up position. We're going to twist and twist. Twist and twist. Keep your core engaged. Pull those core muscles inside. Pull your belly button inside the back of your wall. Keep breathing in and out. Come on, we've got just one more exercise. It's just a cool off or a stretch after this. Alright, and we are done. Keep breathing in and out. Don't give up now. Last 20 seconds. Come on. Give it your all. Keep breathing in and out. Excellent. 10 seconds. Amazing. Keep going. And last one. And relax. Last, we're going to just give it a nice stretch. Alright. Lie down flat on your belly. Your hands on the side, toes pointing outward. Breathe out and lift. Now if you can't go all the way up, this is okay. If you can stretch all the way up, great. Drop it down. Breathe out and lift. Hold it. Go back down. One last time, breathe out and lift. Hold. This is a cobra pose. Hold and relax. Relax. Shoulders down. And that was your power packed core workout done. Phew, wow. I felt the burn. Did you feel the burn? Let me know, how did you find our ab workout today? Was it really easy for you or was it challenging? What else would you like to see on this channel? Leave it in the comments, and as I said, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.